Have you ever wondered where your money really goes? When you shop at a big box store or bank with a national chain, your hard-earned cash often flows out of your community and into distant corporate headquarters. This is called economic leakage, and it drains the lifeblood from our neighborhoods, leaving us with less funding for schools, parks, and local businesses. But what if there was a way to plug that leak and redirect that flow of wealth back into our own streets? That's the core idea behind a powerful concept called the Community Investment Trust. Imagine this. Marcus, a regular guy just like you and me, notices how his neighborhood is struggling. He sees money leaving but not coming back. He then discovers this idea of a trust, a way for neighbors to pool their savings, no matter how small, to invest directly in their own community. He starts talking to his neighbors, folks like Mrs. Gable, who's been in the neighborhood for decades and is rightfully skeptical at first. But Marcus explains the common sense strategy, simple but brilliant. Instead of keeping their money in big banks, they move it to a local credit union. This small act has a huge ripple effect. The credit union then uses those deposits to fund local businesses and mortgages, creating a multiplier effect where every dollar circulates within the community multiple times, strengthening the local economy. Of course, not everyone is happy. A predatory lender, Vance Thorne, sees his profits threatened and starts spreading lies to divide them. He wants them to believe they're too small, that their efforts are pointless. This is where the real fight begins. The community now has a tangible goal: to buy back a vacant lot that Thorne's company has been sitting on. It's a race against time. They host bake sales, car washes, and community fundraisers, all to scrape together the down payment. Every dollar counts. The tension is high, but their unity is stronger. And then they do it. They secure the lot. The story culminates in their very first dividend day. It's a celebration where every single person who invested, even if it was just a few dollars, receives a return. It's more than just money. It's a symbol of their collective power, their ownership, and their ability to build a better future, block by block. This isn't just a story. It's a blueprint for how we can all take back control of our communities. Thanks for watching.